Frank Lampard has been sacked by Chelsea. Yes, you heard me right. Frank Lampard has been sacked. And अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि मैंने ये PSG जर्सी क्यों पहनी हुई है, because the new manager who might take over Chelsea now is going to be Thomas Tuchel, the ex-PSG manager who got sacked this season, and Mauricio Pochettino took over him. Tuchel took PSG to the Champions League final, to their first ever Champions League final in the last season. So, is this the right decision from Chelsea, from Roman Abramovich? Well, we all saw this coming because Chelsea weren't performing as good as they were supposed to, as expected. They were supposed to be Premier League title contenders this season. मगर Lampard accepted couple of days back कि नहीं, Chelsea are not the Premier League contenders this season. And currently, Chelsea are sitting on 9th position, 11 points off the league leaders, Manchester United. If you look at Chelsea's manager and the way the club has been managed in last few years, since 2011, like in last decade, Chelsea had 8 different managers, including Lampard. So it's in their policy. Chelsea always gives 1 or 2 seasons, and if you are not being successful, if you're not winning the Premier League, they will remove you. And that's what happened with Lampard. Yes, Lampard was club legend, but this season everybody was expecting much more from him because he spent more than 200 million to sign so many players, Ziyech, Werner, Havertz, and you have good squad. And still you are on 9th position. And that was the reason why Lampard was sacked. But is this right decision? Did Lampard deserve little bit more time to make things work at Chelsea? And is Thomas Tuchel the right person, the right manager to take over this Chelsea team? If you look at Kai Havertz and Werner, they are German players, and Chelsea have betted on them a lot this season. But both of them have been flop. And Tuchel being the German coach, everybody is expecting that he might make it work. However, my question is Tuchel going to get that time at Chelsea, or is he just for this remainder of season and next season? Because Chelsea has always been like this. If they don't win the Premier League, they will sack their manager and they will look for someone else. If you look at Lampard's record as Chelsea manager, he has won only 44 games out of 84 games, which is 52% win percentage. If you look at the former Chelsea managers, Sarri, Conte, both of them had above 60% of winning. So maybe that was the reason, and that was the sole reason why Lampard was sacked here. And maybe he wasn't able to guide players and motivate players as much as expected, because Kai Havertz and Werner, Chelsea signed them with so much hopes that they are going to score goals, they are going to change this season for Chelsea. But both of them haven't been able to create an impact in the Premier League this season. Werner has been miserable, to be honest. He has missed so many goals. And here that point comes that क्या लैम्पार्ड मोटिवेट नहीं कर पा रहा था प्लेयर को? क्या लैम्पार्ड के पास वो स्किल्स नहीं है क्लब मैनेज करने की जो बाकी मैनेजर्स के पास है, लाइक पेप गार्डियोला, क्लॉप? एंड I think that lack of experience was visible in this season. And with Thomas Tuchel taking over, he has been successful with PSG, but he had a few misunderstanding with the management at PSG, and he was sacked and Pochettino replaced him at PSG. However, is Tuchel the right person to manage Chelsea in the Premier League? Chelsea is not a small club. Chelsea is a very big club, and I am still not sure will Tuchel be able to do quite well in the Premier League with Chelsea. I hope he makes Havertz and Werner work in this Chelsea team because they are quite good, and I hope that they are not wasted in this club. So this is my reaction for Frank Lampard's sacking. Do tell me in the comments that do you think Thomas Tuchel is the right person to take over Chelsea, considering Chelsea don't give that much time to their manager? And was it right to sack Frank Lampard in the middle of the season? Let me know in the comment section. I'll be back soon with my next video. Till then, stay home and keep watching Sports Geek.